Hey guys, once again after a long time. Today I will came here to show a solution about IonCube installation on MacBook M1 or later or any latest version. Basically, there was a lack of IonCube documentation. They missed something, I think. This is their official website, and they mentioned macOS ARM based M1 or ARM 64 bits later maybe, but this is not working for M1 devices, or I think so later will also fall. But they mentioned macOS 64 bit. Basically this is working with XAMPP macOS any latest version. When we download this is making the issue like this. We can't configure well, so we have to install this one. So I downloaded at first this one, but I tried and fail. After that I trying this, and let's see what happened. Though I tried it at first and I success, that's why I making this video to help someone else like me who facing issue. So let's go to the process. At first we have to copy and paste the file to that place. Go to there. Okay, so my PC version is 8.2, so I copy this, paste, okay, fine. Then the next step is we have to install our PSP any configuration. Same process. Go to folder, and this is the PSP ini, and we have to put this, and just put at the top command disk to save this. Then try to reload. Yes, it seems installed. Click here to test. Allowed or not installed. Okay, the IonCube Loader is not currently installed successfully. Please. Okay, let's try to restart the server. Restart. Just a bit. Yes, it's successfully installed. So the main issue was on their documentation. Even when we fall here, they refer a link to download the zip archive. That's also a wrong link. Also wrong file downloading. So basically latest Mac support this one. Thank you.